Hey guys, today was trying to remove the end-to-end encryption on the WhatsApp application. So if you guys are wondering how to remove this end-to-end encryption, if you haven't activated on the WhatsApp application, well, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to disable this. Please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so we need to do first is to launch the WhatsApp application, and then from here, if you haven't logged into your account just yet, I would advise you guys to go ahead and do so. So, alright, you guys, so once we're already on our WhatsApp account, so let's go ahead and tap on the settings option on the lower corner, and then tap on chats next. I want you to scroll down until you see the end-to-end encryption on here or chat backup. So just tap on chat backup, and we're gonna have this option called end-to-end encryption backup. Just go ahead and tap on this. And if you do have this turned on, this is what you guys should see. I'm gonna go ahead and basically proceed with creating a quick password on here. Alright, so once we're already enabled the end-to-end encryption, in order for us to remove this is gonna be pretty easy, because all we need to do is just tap on this option. Once more, tap on turn off, enter your password, and you're gonna have the option to remove it already. Just tap on next, tap on turn off, and now end-to-end encryption is now off. Is that easy, guys, to turn this off? Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on to the next video.